In this video, we're taking a super close look at one of the most exciting pizza ovens to hit the market, the Ooni Koda 2 Max. This massive gas-powered beast is all about bringing the pizzeria experience straight to your backyard. Imagine huge, crispy crust pizzas, perfectly charred toppings, and a mouth-watering aroma filling up your patio. Ooni's a big name in the world of pizza ovens. They are famous for bringing us portable and powerful ovens, and the Koda 2 Max looks like taking things up a notch in terms of size and features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. The Ooni Koda 2 Max definitely makes a statement right out of the box. It's big, it's sleek, and it looks ready to take on some serious pizza making. The oven is crafted from durable materials, so it feels super solid. Setting everything up is a breeze. You've got a gas burner with a simple regulator. Just attach it to your propane tank, follow the instructions, and you're ready to fire it up. Now let's get down to making those perfect Neapolitan-style pizzas. The Koda 2 Max boasts a massive 24-inch cooking area, which means you can either cook gigantic pizzas or even several smaller pizzas at once. It's a game changer, especially if you love entertaining. Think of whipping up a bunch of pizzas for a crowd. Everyone gets their own customized pie. One of the coolest features of the Koda 2 Max is its dual-zone cooking. You have two independent burners giving you super precise heat control. Want your crust a little more charred on one side? Reaching those scorching pizzeria temperatures is no problem here. It heats up super fast. Within about 20 minutes, we were ready to rock and roll with some serious pizza making. Speaking of temperatures, the digital temperature hub is awesome. It gives you real-time readings on the stone temperature, which you can even track on your phone via an app. No more guessing games about your oven's temperature. The G2 gas technology is another interesting bit. It creates a super efficient flame that cooks your pizza evenly, eliminating those annoying cold spots you get with some other ovens. Sliding your first pizza into this huge oven is pretty thrilling. The ample space gives you plenty of room to maneuver your pizza peel, even if you're making those supersized pies. And that intense heat works its magic. We're talking gorgeously puffed crusts, bubbly cheese, and toppings perfectly melted in just a minute or two. You really get that authentic pizzeria feel with those slightly charred, leopard-spotted crusts. This oven isn't just about pizza. That insane heat is amazing for cooking up delicious steaks, roasted veggies, or even bread. Just be ready for those speedy cooking times. The Koda 2 Max might just turn your whole backyard into an extension of your kitchen. Cleanup is surprisingly easy with the Koda 2 Max. The stone can handle a good scraping, and any burnt bits generally clear up quickly. After a few uses, that stone gets naturally seasoned, making it even easier to use. Ooni even sells some specific cleaning tools, but you could manage with the proper pizza oven accessories. Let's talk about how the Ooni Koda 2 Max stacks up against the competition. There are some great alternatives out there like the Gosney Dome or the Alpha Nano. These are hybrid ovens, so you have the choice of gas or wood for a different flavor profile. The Koda 2 Max is purely gas-powered, which means simple, consistent cooking, especially for beginners. The Ooni Koda 2 Max is definitely a premium pizza oven with a premium price tag to match. But if you're serious about your backyard pizzas, love hosting parties, and want that super authentic pizzeria experience, this could be a total game changer. Let me know if you tried it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, good pizza is always worth the effort.